Good morning, students. Today we are going to find out the square root of any number by division method. Students, in your syllabus in chapter 6 only 4-digit numbers were given there, and you have to find the square root of those numbers using division method. But today we will discuss about the numbers more than 4-digit, 5-digit numbers, 6-digit number or any number. How we find the square root of any number using division method. Today we will discuss on this point. Okay, students? So here is a question: find the square root of the following numbers by division method. Okay? So first number is here, that is a 5-digit number, 24,336, and another number that is 20, 20, 7, 9 and 36. Okay? This one is 6-digit number. Now we are going to find out the square root of these numbers using division method. So student, first of all we will take this one. The number is 24336. In first step we will make pairs from rightmost side. Okay, फ्रॉम यूनिट डिजिट से हम इस नंबर का पेयर सबसे पहले बना लेंगे, एंड दिस वन 2 ओनली. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो मेक दिस टाइप ऑफ अरेंजमेंट एंड फर्स्ट नंबर इज 2. यू हैव टू टेक अ नंबर हुज स्क्वायर इज 2 or less than 2. So student, first of all we have to take 1 here. Okay, so 1 1 ja 1, and subtract this number from this. Okay students, subtract this number. Here 1. Now we have to take this number 43, put down this number. Okay, here student, you have to write double of this. You can write it like this: 1 plus 1, that is 2, and with a blank write to it. Okay, so here we will put another number from 1 to or from 0 to 9. Okay, here 143. Which number we will take here? If we are going to take here this one 143. Okay, so this number is 20. 27 ja 140. But you will take the number, suppose you are taking number 1 here, then 1 time you will multiply this number. You are taking 2, then you will multiply this number by 2 times. You are taking 3, so that will be more than 143. If you are taking here 7, that number will be more than 143, because you have to multiply this number by 7 times. So take a number that is 24, 4 ja, that is 96. This one is less than this, so we have to take 5. 25 into 5, so 125. If you are taking 6, then you have to multiply this 6 times 6, 6 ja 36, 6 2 ja 12, and 3, that is 15. This number is more than 143, so we have to take this one. So we will take here 5. Okay, and quotient that will also be 5. Okay, so 25 5 ja, write 5 here. 25 5 ja 125. Okay students, this is the second step, and in the third step subtract this number from this 143. 13 minus 5, that is 8, and here 3 minus 2, that is 1. 18 is left here, and now we will take this group, this pair here, that is 36. Okay, the number is 1836 now, and here student add this number 25 plus 5, that is 30. Okay student, but here we have to put a blank right to it. The value of this number is not 30 only, the value of this number is 300 to 309. Okay student, if we are going to place here 0, then it will be 300. If we are going to place here 9, then it will be 309. Okay, from 300 to 309 we have to put any digit here. Okay, but we will see the last number is 6, and the 6 comes in the square of whose numbers? That is, if we are taking here, and this 3 6 ja 18 and 6 6 ja 36. Okay students, so guess this number, and take this one 30 into 6, 3 6 ja 18 here and 6 6 ja 36. So we are taking here 6. Okay, and again here 6. Now 6 6 ja 36, 6. Okay, 6 0, then remainder 3, 6 3 ja 18. Okay students, so this one no remainder is left here and no bar is left here. Okay, so our solution is completed here. So we will write this one. Okay, square root of 24,336 is equal to this one 156. Okay students, this is the square root, 156 is the square root of this number. Now we will solve this second part. Okay student, 6 digit number is here, and first of all you will write the numbers. You are going to find out the square root of 207,936. Okay, so 207,936. Make arrangement. First, in first step you will make pairs from rightmost side to left. Okay, so there are 3 pairs, 3 groups. Okay, so first number is 20 here. Guess the number whose square is 20 or less than 20. Okay, so which number we will take here? 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25. So we will take here 4. Okay students, and this one 4 4 ja 16, and write here 4 also. Okay, you can double this number or you can add this. So subtract this, here is 4, and take this pair below, that is 79. This number is 479 and 448, and make a blank right to it. Okay, so place value of this number is 80 to 89. So 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48. Okay, so you have to take a number that is 5. 85 5 ja. Okay, here you have to guess about the numbers by seeing this number. Okay. So 5 5 ja 25, 5 8 ja 40 and 2 that is 42. Okay students, multiply here 5 5 ja 25, 5 8 ja 40 and 2 42 and subtract this number. Here 9 minus 5 that is 4, 7 minus 2 that is 5. Okay, and here no number is here. Clear students? So now take this number below, that is 36, and the quotient is 5 because you have taken here 5, write here 5. Okay, and add this number 5 5 10 0 8 1 9, 5 5 10 0 and 8 1 9 and make a blank, write to it. It means this number is, the value of this number is 900 to 999. So 9 and here the number that is 54. Okay, so this number 900, 9 6 ja 9 6 ja 54, and if we are taking here 3, okay, so write here 3 divisor, sorry, quotient, and this one 6 6 ja 36, 6 6 0 here 3, 6 9 ja 54. Clear students? No remainder is left here and no bar is left here. So our solution is correct. So square root of this number 207936 is equal to, that is 456. This one is the square root of this number. Okay students, so you can take 7-digit numbers, 8-digit numbers, and you will follow this process. Okay. Yes student, there is another type of question and we are going to solve this question. Now there are two numbers, one is 645 and another number is 5. Students, we are finding out the square root of numbers. Okay, here is question, find the square root of the following numbers up to 2 decimal place. Students, these numbers are not a perfect square numbers. Before this we are finding out the square root of the numbers that is a perfect square number, but in this question these numbers are not a perfect square numbers, and we are going to find out the square root of these numbers using division method up to 2 place of decimal. इन क्वेश्चंस में स्टूडेंट ये नंबर्स परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं हैं और इसका हम स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करने जा रहे हैं, और इसमें हम डेसिमल के 2 प्लेस तक इसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो प्रोसेस इज सेम. ओके, and you have to understand what is the special when we are going to find out the square root of the numbers which are not perfect square numbers, and you have to find out the square root of these numbers up to 2 place of decimal. So take the method. Okay, take the same method, that is you are going to find out the square root of this one, square root of 465. Okay students, so by division method you will do this. So make this type of arrangement and write the numbers here 4 6 5, and in the first step make pairs from rightmost side. Okay, this number is 4 and this 65. Okay, so take a number whose square is equal to or less than 4. So you know that square of 2, okay, so square of 2, and write 2 here, that is your quotient. Now 2 2 ja 4. Okay, subtract this number subtract this number from this, that is 0, and in the third step take below this number in the next pair, okay, that is 65. Okay students, and you have to double this number, or you can write this number like this, 2 plus 2, add here, okay, this one 4, and you have to write a number next to it, okay. The place value of this number is 40 to 49, okay student, and this number is 65 here, okay. So we have to take the multiplication of one time, this one 41, here we have to take 1, okay, this one 41 and write 1 here, 41 1 ja 41, okay student. So subtract this number, that is 4, and from this one 1, sorry 2, the number is 24 here, okay, and add this number 1 1 2 and take this and make a blank, write to it, okay. The place value of this number is, okay students, the place value of this number is, that is 420 to 429. We have not written here, first write here 1 because you have taken 1 here. Now student, put a decimal here, okay, and write double zero, zeros in pair, again zeros in pairs, okay. You have to find out the square root of this number up to 2 place of decimal, okay. We have taken 2 pairs of zeros after decimal, okay. Now take below this number, okay, this is the decimal number, okay. So you have to put a decimal here, clear students, and this number is 2400 and this number is 420 to 429 because you have to write a number here, okay, from 0 to 9. स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम यहाँ ऐसे नंबर को लेंगे कि जिसको हम मल्टीप्लाई उसी नंबर से करें तो ये इससे 2400 से एक्सेस ना हो. 4 6 या 24, 6 टाइम में स्टूडेंट ये उससे ग्रेटर हो जाएगा बिकॉज वी आर टेकिंग हियर 6, it means that is 426. So 26 is 6 ja, that will be greater this, okay. So we have to take here 5, okay, and write 5 here. You add this number 112, okay. So take this number here and now multiply this, okay students. 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10 to 12, 5 4 ja 20, this one 21, okay students. So subtract this number, this one, and you have taken here 5, so you will write here 5, clear student. So subtract this, 10 minus 5 that is 5, 9 minus 2 that is 7, and here 3 minus 1 that is 2. The number is 275. Now add here, okay, 5 5 10 0 and 2 1 3 and this number 4 and put a blank here, okay students. So this number is 4300 to 4309, okay students, and this number is 275 only. So you have to take this pair here, okay. So 0 0, okay. Now this is 27,500 and this one 4,300. So 4 6 ja 6 टाइम अगर हम ले जाते हैं स्टूडेंट्स तो 6 से फर्स्ट इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लें, 4306, ओके, एंड 6 टाइम that is 6 6 ja 36, this one 3 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 21 and 25, okay students. So in 6 time this is 25,836, and if you are taking here 7, then the number will be greater than this. Okay, so you have to take here 6. Okay student, write here 6. Okay, and again by 6, 6 6 ja 36, now 0 here 3, 6 3 ja, I have written here the number, that is 25,836. Okay students, subtract this number. You have find the square root of this number up to 2 place of decimal, but we are going to find out the third decimal place. What is the number here at the third place of decimal? डेसिमल के थर्ड प्लेस पर कौन सी नंबर होगी उसको भी हम फाइंड आउट करने जा रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स. इफ द नंबर इज लेस देन 3, देन वी हैव टू लेफ्ट आउट दैट. इफ द नंबर इज ग्रेटर देन 4, दैट इज if number is greater than 4, then you have to make this number 1 plus. Okay, so first do this. What will be the number at the third place of the decimal? Okay, though you need not to do it, you have already find the square root of this number up to 2 place of decimal, but for more clarity you can find out the third digit. Okay students, so this one subtract here, this one 4, and this 6 and 14 minus 8 6, this one 6 minus 5, that is 1. Clear students? And add these numbers, 6 6 12 2, and this one 1 and 3 4, and a blank here. This number is 43,120 to 43,129, and again take this here. Now what is the number? This number is 166400. Okay, and this 43,000. Now this one 16 and this one 43,120, and this 1,66,400. So divide this number 166 and this one 43. 43 1 2, and write the number, that is 3 times. 4 3 ja 20, 4 4 ja 16. Okay, 4 4 ja 16, but this one 312, so it will be greater than that, so you have to take here 3. Okay, so take here 3, multiply it by 3. Okay, write here 3, and 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, and 3 4 ja 12. Okay student, subtract this number here 1 and 3. Now this one 0, and 16 minus 9, that is 7, and 5 minus 2 3, 37,031, but this number was 43,123. So this was greater, so we have to take only 3 times. Okay students, so this is correct. And now this number is 21.563. 3 is less than 5, so you have to left this number, and this number is square root of 465 is equal to 21.56 approx. Okay students, approximately. That is not a clear. Okay. So this number is approximately, the square root of 465 is approximately 21.56. If you are going to find out the square root of any number that is not a perfect square, and it is given that you have to find out the square root up to 2 place or up to 3 place of decimal, then you will adopt this method. Okay. This you can put here decimal, after decimal you can put 0 0. Remember students, the digits you will take, that will be in a pair, 0 will be in pairs. Okay students. So now we are going to find out the square root of a number that is a small number, that is 5 only. Okay students. So find the square root of this number. 5 is not a perfect square students, and you are going to find out the square root of this number up to 2 place of decimal. Decimal के 2 place तक इस नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट करने जा रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स आप, दैट इज 5. You are going to find out the square root of 5. So with the same process, use division method to find out the square root of any number. Okay. So write here 5.00. Okay. 0 0 0 0. Okay. And make this type of arrangement. Student, in first step we will take the number whose square is less than or equal to the first number. Okay. So first number is here 5. Okay. 2, write here 2 also. Okay. 2 2 ja 4, subtract this one 1. Okay. Add this number, that is 4, and put a blank here and take this number below, the whole pair. Okay. This number is 100 and this number is 42 49, but we are going to take here 2. Okay. 42 2 ja 84, that is less than 100. If we are taking here 3, that will be greater than 100. So we are taking here 2. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8, 84. Okay student. So the second number you have taken, that is 2, but put here decimal. Okay. 2 point. Okay. So because you have taken this 0 after decimal, so add this number 2 2 4 and this one 4 and put a blank here. The place value of this number is 440 to 449. Okay. And now what is this? This one 6 and 9 minus 8, that is 16. Now take below this number. Okay. 1600, and the number is 440 to 449. 4 4 ja 16. Okay students. But in 4 times it will be greater than 1600 or 1600. So you have to take here 3. Okay. So by 3 times 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 2, 3 4 ja 12 1 13. Okay student. Subtract this number, and this one 1, and 9 minus 2 7, 5 minus 3 2. Okay. And again take this number below. Okay students. And add this 3 3 6 4 4. This number is 4460 to 4469, and this number is 27,100. So 4 4 ja 4 6 ja 6 times 4 6 ja 24. Take here 6. Okay student. So 6 6 6 ja 36. Now 6 6 ja 36 and 3 that is 39. 9. 6 4 ja 24 and 3 that is 27. Okay. 6 4 ja 24 and 2 that is 26. Okay student. So you have taken here 6. This number, okay student, now need not to do this more because you are going to find out the square root of this number up to 2 place of decimal, but you have find here up to 3 place of decimal. Okay students. So square root of 5 is equal to 2.236 because 6 is greater than 5. Okay. So if the number is 5, then you have to take 1 in this number. Okay, you have to add this one in this. So you need not to do this place, but this number is greater than 4 or greater than 4. So you have to take 1 more in this number. You will add 1 more in this number. So that is 2.24. This is the square root of this number. Okay. So we are going to check this. Okay student. 2.24. This is approximate number. Okay students. Approx. You have to write here. Approximately. ये nearest number है इसके. It is not correct. Okay. The square root of 5 is that is 2.24 because you are going to find out the square root of this number up to 2 place of decimal because this number is not a perfect square number. So you have to find its square root in nearest place of decimal. So this is approximately we have written here. So we are going to check here 2.24. Okay. 2.24 into 2.24 that is 4 4 ja 16, 4 2 ja 8, 1 9, 4 2 ja 8. Okay. 2 4 ja 8. Now 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4. Okay. Once again that is 2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4 and 2 2 ja 4. Student, this one 6 9 8 17. Okay. 8 8 16 4 20 and 21. Clear. 4 4 8 and 2 10. 4 1 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So the value of this number is 5.0176 means this number. Okay. The square root 5 of 5 is approximately that is 2.24. Okay students. So this is nearest number of 5. Square of 2.24. 2.24 into 2.24 that is 5.0176. That is negligible. Okay students. So we can find out the square root of any number by using division method. Okay students. Whether the number is very small number or number is very greater, very big number or the greater number. So it is, I think it is clear. And if after this you are facing any problem regarding square root or cube root, then you will ask on my WhatsApp number. Okay students. So that's all.